Namaskar friends, myself Dr. Sahil Gupta, homeopathy physician, mental health and drug addiction counselor. I'm working in drug addiction from last 4 to 5 years purely on the basis of homeopathy counseling and drug addiction. So my topic for today is addiction. From last many months I'm thinking about to share the knowledge about homeopathy and drug addiction. So today I got the time to share with the basics of addiction. So let's start. What are addiction and what are the addictive substances? So according to WHO, any substance which when taken have the ability to change an individual consciousness, perception, mood, thinking, process, behavior, any motor function. So it is also known as a psychoactive substance. So dear friends, any addictive substance which when cross the blood brain barrier, it will modify the consciousness awareness of oneself and surrounding around the addicted person, its mood, its feeling, its emotion, its perception, sensory and experience of world around the addicted, its thinking and motor function. Why are certain substances are very addictive? Why? And some are not addictive. Not all, but few substances are very addictive because of its addictive properties. It will act on the particular age group of neurons in the brain and leading the individual to repeatedly administer the addictive or psychoactive substance, which is known as a drug seeking behavior. Because of that behavior, the addictive substance act on the particular center of the brain and it affects the dopamine and serotonin level of the persons. The frontal cortex is affected, then the stratum and substantia nigra centers is affected. As we all know, dopamine, when a person used any addicted substance, his dopamine level is affected. What are the functions of dopamine? Reward, motivation, pleasure, euphoria, motor function, compulsion, and the serotonin. Functions of serotonin: mood, memory, processing, sleep, and cognition. That is why the addicted substance is affected in all these levels. How certain substances are different from each other? It is divided on the basis of chemical class of drugs, on the source of drugs, its availability, whether it's legal or illegal, its mode of intake, orally, inhalation, and through injections route, the different types of drugs, its chemical class, alcohol, opioids, cannabis, stimulants like cocaine, amphetamine substances, sedatives, hypnotics, hallucinogens, tobacco. So, there are different types of drugs. They produce the different types of actions like depressants, alcohol, cannabis, and opioids, sedatives. And the stimulants are cocaine, amphetamines, tobacco, and caffeine, hallucinogens, LSD.